tap. She turned on the tap to wash her hands. Toilet, toilet, toilet. She cleaned the toilet with disinfectant. Toilet paper, toilet paper, toilet paper. She bought a pack of toilet paper at the store. Toothbrush, toothbrush, toothbrush. She replaced her old toothbrush with a new one. Toothpaste, toothpaste, toothpaste. She squeezed some toothpaste onto her toothbrush. Towel rack, towel rack, towel rack. She hung the wet towel on the towel rack. Washcloth, washcloth, washcloth. She wiped her face with a warm washcloth. Bin bag, bin bag, bin bag. She replaced the full bin bag with a new one. Bleach, bleach, bleach. She used bleach to clean the bathroom tiles. Broom, broom, broom. She swept the floor with a broom. Bucket, bucket, bucket. She filled the bucket with water to mop the floor. Detergent, detergent, detergent. She added detergent to the washing machine. Electric fire, electric heater, electric fire, electric heater, electric fire, electric heater. She turned on the electric heater to warm the room. Hoover, Hoover, Hoover. She used the Hoover to clean the carpet. iron, iron, iron. She ironed her shirt before going to work. Matches, matches, matches. She lit a candle using matches. Torch, torch, torch. She used a torch when the power went out. Washing machine, washing machine, washing machine. She put her dirty clothes in the washing machine. Washing powder, washing powder, washing powder. She added washing powder before starting the washing machine. Who? He used a hoe to break up the soil. Lawnmower, lawnmower, lawnmower. He mowed the lawn with a lawnmower. Sécateur, sécateur, sécateur. She used sécateur to trim the bushes. Seed, seed, seed. She planted tomato seeds in the garden. Spade, spade, spade. He dug a hole with a spade to plant a tree. Trowel, trowel, trowel. She used a trowel to plant flowers in pots. Watering can, watering can, watering can. She filled the watering can and watered the plants. Keychain, keychain, keychain. He bought a new keychain as a souvenir. Shoe rack, shoe rack, shoe rack. She arranged her shoes neatly on the shoe rack. Bed frame, bed frame, bed frame. They assembled the new bed frame together. Coat rack, coat rack, coat rack. She hung her jacket on the coat rack. Candle holder, candle holder, candle holder. She placed a candle in the candle holder. Stair railing, stair railing, stair railing. She held the stair railing while going down the stairs. Magazine rack, magazine rack, magazine rack. She placed the new magazines in the magazine rack. Mouse trap, mouse trap, mouse trap. He set a mouse trap in the kitchen to catch the mice.